Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can join Telegram stream very easily. Please friends, put your likes under the video, write your comments and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's you and me friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open the Telegram app on your device. And then you'll need to go to the calls section at the bottom. If you don't have this section, you can activate it by going to Settings. Then select the Calls option. And now just at the top activate this feature. Now go back up. And you'll have the Calls option activated. Go to that. And here you'll have Calls at the top. So, here you will have regular calls, and at the top you will have all the streams that are possible at the moment. On your Telegram, and to join them, you just click on the name of that stream. And that will take you to that stream and you can watch it. Also, when you go to the stream, there will be a function, for example, to make a picture in a picture, that is, to reduce the screen, so that you can simultaneously and view a particular stream in Telegram. And do some other things on your phone. This is a very quick and easy way to join any Telegram stream on your device. I hope you found this video useful and helpful, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also put likes, write comments. Bye-bye.